Hello there. I'm going to show you how to give someone access to a file or folder in your Google Drive, i.e. give them a shareable link. This video is also going to be useful if you need someone to share a file or folder with yourself. You can just send them this video. First thing we're going to do is head on over to drive.google.com and then press enter. From here, navigate to the file or folder that you wish to share. So for this one, I want to share this like and subscribe Google Doc. All we need to do is right click on it, navigate the share section, and then click share. Don't do the copy link. You need to click share. From here, you have two different options. First of all, you can give general access to the file. So you can have it fully restricted where you need a custom link to be able to even see it. Or you can just make it so that anyone with the link is able to look at it. So we'll just click this for now. And then once you've done this, you're then able to choose whether you want people with the link to be able to just view it or be able to add comments to it or have full access, i.e. be an editor. So for this one, let's say we want them to be an editor. Once we've done that, we now can add their email address. In this box, if it's an email address or a person that you regularly interact with within your Google account, i.e. someone from work or a friend or family, it should auto-populate as you start writing. But essentially, you put in their email address, you could then get another option on whether to choose their level of access. You can add a note, and this notify people will mean that when you click send, Google will send an email address to that person to let them know that you've shared this file. Or you can simply just click this copy link button here and then personally share the link. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.